The poem Ulysses was published in 1842 after the death of Arthur Hallam, Tennyson's friend. The poem expresses Tennyson's feelings about the need of moving forward and facing life. Ulysses was a legendary Greek hero who had fought in the Trojan War. Homer had narrated his heroic deeds in Odyssey. Though Tennyson's Ulysses is closely modeled on Dante's Ulysses, portrayed in the 20th canto of the Inferno, Tennyson's classical traits are visible in phrasing and verbal echoes, but the treatment is original. Ulysses is a dramatic monologue. Ulysses, the narrator, is expressing his feelings and wishes and telling the story of his life. Only he is the spokesperson in the poem. The situation is dramatic as speech is being delivered to audience who can be his countrymen, friends, or readers, but are silent listeners. In the poem, he is supposed to be standing at sea coast, living with his fellow men in quest of knowledge and adventure. The subject matter of the poem. In the course of poem, Ulysses is giving numerous arguments in favor of life he has lived outside his state, which was full of thrill, knowledge, and adventure. Firstly, he gives an account of state which is inhabited by uncivilized, lazy people whom he doesn't wish to rule. They do not understand his real nature while his wife has grown old. Secondly, he tells about the life that he had passed in last 20 years. It was a life of thrill and adventure. War life has always been active life, which for Ulysses was full of victories, achievements, and learning. He had his own team with whom he traveled to various lands to know their manners, culture, and languages. The more he knows, the more his quest for knowledge increases. Human life is short, and no time should be wasted to gain infinite knowledge. He has only few years left to live, which he wishes to devote in pursuit of knowledge. Thirdly, his son Telemachus is quite sensible and prudent. He is fit to tackle and master lazy rustic islanders of his state. His worship, he worships his family gods, looks after his old wife well, and is apt in handling the welfare of his subjects. He is well trained in handling homely affairs. Therefore, Ulysses considered it right to leave for travel and adventure once again with his fellow men before his death. Due to age, they may be physically weak, but they are still strong in determination. So they would set sail to strive, to seek, to find, and not to give. Ulysses is well marked with autobiographical notes. John Pettigrew points out that Ulysses springs from powerful feelings prompted by Arthur Hallam's death. The elegiac melancholy lent a restless dissatisfaction with the present and wish for fuller life. The final passage of the poem is one of literature's grandest Churchillian, in which its rhetoric and resolve. It is full of immense dignity and power in its matter and manner. Ulysses is a noble poem concerned with character delineation rather than narration or action. It shows Tennyson's command over language and felicity of phrasing. Diction is terse and epigrammatic. It is written in blank verse. It shows Miltonic grandeur and majestic movement. Thank you.